You are not alone in the storm. Hey there, welcome back to Krish Spoken English. Today's phrase get through, not get over, not move on, just get through. And if you're going through something right now, this is for you. The night you couldn't sleep, you remember that night, your thoughts were loud, bills, deadlines, someone's harsh words still echoing in your head. You stared at the ceiling, wondering if morning would ever come. But it did, and so did the next one. You got through. It wasn't magic, it wasn't easy, but you did it. Drop a sunrise emoji in the chat if you have ever made it through a long dark night. The exam you thought you failed. You studied so hard, but the paper was tougher than expected. Your confidence broke right there in the exam hall, but you didn't walk out. You got through the paper, you faced it, and maybe later you even passed. That's what going through looks like. Quite victorious. English when you wanted to quit. Learning English can feel like walking through fog. You speak, but your words come out broken. People laugh, you shrink, but something in your whispers, keep going. So you do. And now you understand this. You are here. You're getting through the fear, the mistakes, the self doubt. If English ever made you cry, but you still kept going, drop a heart emoji in the comments. What get through really means. Get through doesn't mean everything is okay. It means you are surviving what you thought would break you. You get through heartbreak, you get through anxiety, you get through awkward English conversations. It's not about being perfect, it's about not giving up. What are you still getting through? So tell me, what are you still getting through right now? A breakup, burnout, a rough week at work, or maybe a tough English lesson. Type it out. Own it. This space is safe and you are not alone. What's one thing you are trying to get through right now? Has English ever felt too hard but you didn't quit? Drop a hands up emoji if you have survived something you never thought you would. Quiet wins count too. You know what no one claps for? The person who got out of bed when their heart was heavy. The person who opened their English book after failing yesterday. But those are the real ones. Every step forward, no matter how small, means you are getting through. You are stronger than you think. You showed up today, and that is the first step to getting through anything. Life won't always feel this hard, and English won't always feel this foreign. Keep going. This is Krish Spoken English, where we celebrate progress, not perfection. Until next time, be kind to yourself and keep getting through. Thank you very much.